Hey everyone, welcome to MAT 223 Statistics. Okay, in this series of videos I'm going to be going over our class notes in which you can follow along with my video and also the completed notes if you'd like from Canvas, and just fill in your notes and try to understand so when you come to class you can ask questions, etc. This is page 1 and we're going over chapter 1. We're covering chapter 1 very quick. We're covering it all in the first day. I probably won't even talk about it much in class, so really need you to take these notes, do the homework, and come to class with questions. It's a very introductory chapter. There's not much other than I just need you to kind of get into the idea of what's going on with data. Okay, so chapter 1 is about an introduction to data. These are page 1 of our notes. So the topics in this chapter are introduction to data and data types. We're going to be classifying, collecting, organizing, and storing data, learning about that. So what are data? Data are observations that you or someone else records. Now, what is statistics? Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, summarizing, and analyzing data to answer questions and/or draw conclusions. We will focus on types of data and methods for collecting the data. So keep in mind, statistics, we're going to learn this throughout the entire class, but statistics must be used carefully. Inappropriate use will result in inaccurate beliefs, and results are always uncertain. The thing about statistics is we're essentially trying to take a sample of some group. You see polls on TV a lot. They're taking a sample of 500 or 1,000 or 2,000 voters and trying to predict what the entire United States would vote like in an election. So the results are uncertain because we don't ask everybody who's going to vote. We only ask a sample. All right, we always have to remember that. Statistics rests on two major concepts. The first of these is variation, and the second of these is data itself. So variation, what is variation? Variation simply means differences or changes in an item from one observation to another. When we take a sample, there will be different responses from our group that we sample. Okay, so we're going to see differences in what people say. The data that itself is all the observations gathered so we can draw conclusions. And the context for the data is essential. We'll need to know things like the units. We'll know what the question was, all the different stuff that we'll need to know. Okay, data analysis. Data analysis is the process of examining collected data to look for patterns or numerical indicators that capture the essence of what the data is telling us.